How to install YouTube Studio as a desktop app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and search YouTube Studio Desktop. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the first link that pops up, which is YouTube Studio. Then click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down till you find Cast, Save, and Share. In here, click on Install Pages app. After you do that, press on Install. After you have installed it, you'll find this on your display. Simply click on it and it will be opened as an app. And this is how to install YouTube Studio as a desktop app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.